All right, Troy, this is your HD 923 from Karcher, and hang on, it's got a hose reel lock on it which will open. That's your hose reel, which you can wind up nice and easy, 8mm hose, swivel built into the end of the gun. Servo control so you can adjust the pressure, quick release couplings on the lance so you can put a foaming gun on, which I'll show you. Single lance so you don't have to go to the double lance to do the soap, you just use your foaming gun. Otherwise you can draw the chemical up through your chemical hose there through a low pressure nozzle. But it's nice and easy to manoeuvre around because it's a bit higher. You can actually tilt the unit back and just drag it around. Yeah, that's it. So Honda motor GX390, the one that you're familiar with. All right, so it's got the Easy Force gun. You've got your yellow handle here at the back. When you actually click your handle in, the pressure will actually push your hand against the trigger, which means you can just let go and it's nice and easy to use, so the guys won't get tired using it. Yeah, a bit easier than the old handles. Anyway, we'll give it a bit of a demo for you, mate. Everything yellow is for operators, so they know they can adjust it here. They know they can adjust the servo control there for the pressure, and they know they can pull the trigger. If it's grey, don't touch it. So they know they can adjust the handle, they know they can turn the chemical on. But if it's grey, like the oil cap, don't touch it, it's for service. It's nice and easy for your operators. So it's got a lance holder on the side there, and then there's your hose reel. Now I haven't started it, so we'll just see how good these things start cold and straight off the floor. But it's a Honda, so choke on, fuel on, choke on, please. Oh, hold the handle in. Look at that! You'll notice this one goes down to low revs as well. Pull the trigger, revs up, drops to low revs. Also, as I said, the Easy Force gun is nice and easy to hold, so when you pull that trigger on, just hold it back. Servo control. Now I'll show you the foaming gun. That's simple, Troy, that's simple. Give it about 5 minutes reaction time. All right, so we've had about 5 minutes reaction time, or thereabouts, so I'll give it a bit of a tub. Oh, hang on. Scotty's in the car. And that's it, mate. All right, so another point I just wanted to make too on this one, Troy, is that it's actually got inbuilt filter here. So you're going to filter a lot of your water. I don't know where you're running it from. This unit will actually draw from an IBC. So if you don't have a water supply running to it, you can actually just drop a hose straight into an IBC, flush that air through first at low pressure, and then you can be out in the middle of a paddock, it won't matter. Hose reel, easy enough to wrap up your hose. As I said to you, if you make it easy for the boys, they probably will put it away, I won't guarantee it. But that's 15 metres of hose on this one. It's got that swivel built in, so you just got to get the coils out. And then when you want to go put it on your vehicle, whatnot, it's easy enough. It's all stuck together. You don't have a big mess there. Turn your water off, pump the hose off. That's it. She's ready for transport. All right, Troy, if you wanted to go hot water and you still wanted to go combustion engine, we also have a HTS 1000DE that I'll do a deal on you for. It is a little bit more money than a cold wash, but if you want hot, you can have all the same features as that one we just looked at. And I've got a hot water wash in stock on the floor, on a wheel kit, easy to push around, put in a ute, high pressure chemical injection, controlled here, same Honda motor, GX390 Honda motor, and then your heat temperature control there, which can also do weed killing with your 98 degrees through your nozzle. All right, mate, we'll see how we go.